Hello everybody. Can you swim? Yes or no? Why? Because we want to go to the ocean and sea. Ocean in Persian language it means اقیانوس. اقیانوس. ق او ق اقیانوس. sea دریا. دریا. river رودخانه. رودخانه. خانه house. رودخانه. A small stream, we say rud. Rud. How about lake? What's happening in Persian? Lake. دریاچه. دریاچه. دریا, sea, lake, دریاچه. چه in Persian language is a suffix. When we want to say a small, a smaller. A small sea, دریاچه. Garden, باغ. A small garden, باغچه. But we use for some nouns, not all of them. دریاچه. What's that mean? A land among the sea or among the water that's surrounded by water. Island. Yeah, island. In Persian we say جزیره. جزیره. Island. جزیره. Thank you for watching this video.